Today, we mark an exceptional day in our calendar as we celebrate the journey and achievements of our students. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the 9th promotion ceremony of Jose Rizal University Junior High School Division. Now presenting the completers of batch 2023-2024, the processional is led by the Grand Marshal, Mrs. Gemma V. Garcia, the Junior High School Student Development Coordinator. Ladies and gentlemen, this year's academic awardees, led by their marshals, Mrs. Rovelyn Arcilia and Mrs. Hazel Legazpi. This year's batch of completers is led by their marshals, starting with our technical marshal, Mrs. Maria Neri Corpus, followed by Mr. Roberto League Jr. Mr. Neil Shirley Alex, Miss Nicola Moore Justin Baruga. Mr. Aaron Paul Baliga. Miss Fatima Capilos. are the department chairs of the Junior High School Division, followed by the members of the faculty, led by their Grand Marshal, Mrs. Rachel Aubrey Esposito, Chair, Filipino Department. Followed by Ms. Marisa Racales, Chair, Business and Technology and MAPE Department. Mrs. Rovelyn Arcilia, Chair, English Department. Mr. Roberto Layage Jr., Chair, Mathematics Department.
Ganyan sana.
Mrs. Angelita Chodoro, Chair, Science Department. Ms. Marinel Lara, Chair, Social Studies Department. Now approaching the university officials, starting with Mr. Benji A. Evangelio, Assistant University Registrar. Ms. Rhea S. Aluna, Assistant Director, Treasury Office. Mr. Cesar C. Caballos, Director, Information Technology Office. Ms. Maria Karenina S. Guillermo, Director, Quality and Linkages Office. Ms. Carolina A. Fernandez, Director, Budget and Payroll Office. Ms. Maribel B. Materu, Director, Administrative and Human Resource Office. Ms. Lorraine R. Parangue, Director, Guidance and Testing Office. Ms. Ivory Joy C. Malina, Director, Marketing and Communication Office. Mr. Renante G. Fernandez, Director, Accounting Office. Ms. Rosela D. Del Mundo, University Librarian. Mrs. Elenita G. Saba, University Registrar. Dr. Alcencia Limham, Director, Research Office. Dr. Kathleen G. Apilano, Dean, Hospitality and Tourism Management. Dr. Tessie R. De Jose, Dean, College of Nursing. Engineer Liza R. Reyes, Dean, College of Computer Studies and Engineering. Maria Dulce B. Mangibi, Dean, Criminal Justice Education. Dr. Don Vicente C. Rian, Dean, Education, Arts and Sciences. Dr. Sofia De Perala, Dean, Graduate School. Ms. Josephine B. Gulan, Principal, Elementary School Division. Mr. Romel C. Navarro, Principal, Senior High School Division. Mrs. Grace Marie B. Martin, Principal, Junior High School Division. Mr. Jefferson S. Hakim, Vice President for Administrative Affairs. Mrs. Edna Cia Cruz, Vice President for Information System. Mr. Augusto A. Fabella, Vice President and member of the Board of Justice. Dr. Miguel M. Carpio, Vice President for Academic Affairs. And Dr. Vicente K. Fabella, University President. May I request everyone to please rise for the entrance of the colors.
Singsing sa palitan! Na! Patakda! Na! Pasugaw! Kat! Balik kulay! Na!
Ladies and gentlemen, the Philippine National Anthem.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
You may now be seated. To continue with the program, it is my distinct honor to introduce one of our honor students who will deliver her welcome speech for this occasion. Ladies and gentlemen, let us hear from Janella G. Rose D. Nasira.
Nel, ikaw na lang din. Malapit siya dyan, Nel. Sa gilid, sa gilid. You know? Bagay na bagay, oh. Pero may
as we aim to achieve high grades. But looking back to those hardships, this made us see what the future may bring and how it can mold us to become better at the things that we do. Let us not think of this as a struggle that we deserve, but as a lesson in life that we can apply to our future endeavors. Remember that God will not give us problems that we cannot handle. It is His job to teach us how to handle problems on our own. As we celebrate today's momentous occasion, I can't help but reflect on the journey that brought each and every one of us here. When the COVID-19 pandemic struck and disrupted our classes, we adapted to the online and high-flex learning system and used technology to continue our education. But after almost 3 years, who would have thought that we, the batch of 2024, would experience full face-to-face classes in our last year in junior high school? We owe our resilience not only to ourselves, but also to the educational foundation provided by JRU. Furthermore, I would also like to greet the people behind our success, to our teachers and mentors who are willing to lend their ears and hearts out to us, our dear friends who became our companions in navigating the ups and downs of life, and our beloved parents who made everything possible just to support us that we were able to get by. Today, we close a book while we open another, a sequel to the story of success that each of us is bound to crave. Before we worry about what tomorrow may bring, can we just take a moment to appreciate ourselves? Because today, we are all victors. Our success is not only measured by the diplomas and awards that we will receive today, but also a measure of how we are able to make an impact to change our lives in the future. Some of us may leave this university, but we have to make sure that we bring all these valuable lessons and memories that this school taught us. After all, this is not just a school. It is our second home, a place where we are taught not only good knowledge, but good values as well. Therefore, to the proud parents, guardians, teachers, and the whole Jose Rizal University, present before you are the students who have devoted their everything to this special moment. Once again, welcome to the Junior High School Promotion Ceremony of the batch 2023 to 2024. So, let us go forth with confidence. And just like our alma mater, Jose Rizal University's tagline, find your inner hero. With much honor and pride, I say, congratulations, fellow completers, and to our proud parents and loved ones. Thank you.
Thank you, Janella, for your words of welcome and inspiration. I'd like to highlight your message about resilience and adaptability during the COVID-19 pandemic. It is especially meaningful because it highlights the support from teachers, friends, and parents, reminding us of the importance of community. And to tell us a beautiful piece of this journey, let us listen to the top achiever of this batch to deliver her moving up message. A round of applause to Dave John Marie D.C. Mamarado.
To our University President, Dr. Vicente P. Fabella, Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Miguel M. Carpio, Junior High School Principal, Mrs. Grace Marie B. Martin, Junior High School Student Development Coordinator, Mrs. Gemma B. Garcia,
Hindi ba blurred?
to other university officials, department chairs, and junior high school
Yan.
teachers, distinguished guests, parents, and to my schoolmates, a pleasant morning to all of you. The senior year has been a tough and challenging battle for everyone. Yet the year that bound us together taught us that every choice we make affects our happiness or misery. It has also introduced us to friends who we can rely on to support us, both academically and socially through ups and downs. It demonstrated to us the value of accountability, honesty, responsibility, and of course, unity. On behalf of the completers, I would like to express my deepest gratitude to our principal, who has been supportive since day one, our student development coordinator, who tried her best to extend her hands to each one of us, our teachers, and loving advisors who were there to guide us in every step we take and give us some life advice that we will always remember. Especially to our advisor, thank you, ma'am. You made this school year a lot bearable for Ken through your funny jokes and never-ending love and support. To our families, friends, and loved ones who became our support system throughout this challenging journey, we owe you everything. Your love, understanding, and encouragement drove us to who and where we are today. Thank you for being with us until this very special day. Your presence is the most valuable gift we received today, especially to my mom and dad. Many of us have struggled in the recent years in dealing with our uncertainties and anxieties, overcoming all the pressure we face from everyone around us, from society, and from within. I used to view pressure negatively, but standing here today, I've come to realize that it is what keeps me going. It made me thrive and reach my full potential without me knowing. So as you can see, everything negative may also be beneficial. Let us all celebrate our accomplishment of finding the bravery and fortitude to press on, even in the face of overwhelming odds. I know that each of us has episodes of weakness, but right now, in this big auditorium, we are all experiencing a moment of strength as we wrap up a school year filled with tears and laughter. Once again, I extend my deepest gratitude to everyone who has helped me along the way, encouraged me, and walked by me on this challenging road. Let us all embrace our challenges, celebrate our victories, and continue to grow knowing that our journeys can inspire and change the world. Always remember that we are the architects of our future, the captains of our fate, and the authors of our dreams. I hope we all find a path that leads to a bright and promising future. I am Dave Joy Maridissimo Maradlo, and let this be the end of the beginning. Congratulations, and I wish you all a good luck in your next journey.
Thank you, Dave John, for sharing the delight of your wonderful adventure. We also wish that your message encourages all who have listened to bring out their utmost qualities and to carry out the resilient values beyond this ceremony. Now, the moment has come for this batch of GHS completers to receive their certificate of promotion. Our principal, Mrs. Grace Marie B. Martin, will formally present the completers of batch 2023 to 2024 as approved by the Academic Council headed by Dr. Miguel M. Carpio, the Vice President for Academic Affairs. To our President, Dr. Vicente K. Fabella. Our President will do the honor of awarding the certificates.
Mr. President, upon the recommendation of the faculty, I have the honor to present the candidates for the Junior High School Promotion Certificate, who have honorably fulfilled all the requirements prescribed therefore.
Upon the recommendation of the faculty, and by virtue of the authority vested in me, I grant you the Junior High School Promotion Certificate with all the rights and privileges appertaining thereto. Congratulations.
The ceremony will now proceed with the awarding of the completers who have successfully completed the junior high school curriculum and are prepared to advance to the next stage of their educational journey. Awards will be presented to the subject honors who have demonstrated exceptional skills and knowledge in specific subjects, thereby setting a high standard for academic excellence. Finally, the students with honors will be recognized for their academic excellence and outstanding performance throughout the whole school year. May I call on Mr. Roberto Layage Jr. to read the names of our completers and awardees. Thank you.
The junior high school completers, starting with Nico Ashley de Guzman Abanto.
Boss Jim, anong status?
Sharif Saifur de la Peña Abirin. Astria Ashel. Kelly Ray Escarcia Adonis with honors. Alexandria Chloe Aguilar. Xavier Ezequiel Daniel Aguilar. Christine Subiri Aguilos. Arkin Jared Mabida Asia. Aisa. Christian Gabriel Susana Albuna with honors. Mark Gerald Armin Caberto Alcover. Carlson Keith Pelaez Alquere. JD Ann Enrico Alvarez. May Aliera Asis with honors. Prince Albert Uy Avelino. Ann Kirsten Baldomero Baltazar. Maxine Nicole Sebastian Pañadera. Margaret Fiona Mago Bañez. Audrey Gabriel Alvarez Barroso. Janisha Bigino. Marini Gwyneth Dira Belmonte. Team Kevin Ruiz Verguen. Grace Ann Reyes Betalmos. Hannah Yuris Borebor Riguera. Andrea May Villaros Briones with honors. Mackenzie Caberto Benaflor. Abril Canicula Buenaceda Cruz. Ace Anderson Niquinos Venida. Johannes Peralta Kaalen. Daniela Caro Cabanhao. Adrian Jace Fuentes Cavinta. Sarah Von Anovas Caldosa. Joseph Navid Carandang. Casanea Sanchez Casidao. Ray Carlos Fernandez Selucia. Alia Jane Floralde Colicado. John Lawrence Malapira Conciso. Quincy Nene Agapino III Babalo Condeno. Gwyneth A. Fuentes Constantino. Erica May Bulagot Origal. Lian Clayril Santos Crisostomo. Isabel Cristobal. Ethan Lo Valencia Cruz. Florence Cristobal Cruz. Maria Susane Faustino Cruz with honors. Venice Angelica Macapobre Gumba. Nisha Carrie Carrios Custodio. Rihanna Ian Estrella Taes. Kiari Eris Ramos de Leon. Angel Rose Matienzo de Chimo. Angelo Carl Camaso de Leon. Cyril Phyllis Rain de Char del Mundo. Gabriel Joy Piocarnes de la Cruz. Lilian Therese Alagon de la Cruz. Lovely Ariana Briones de la Cruz. Juliana Sambangan de la Guerra. Yesha Bel Lofredo de la Torre. Gian Gail Espinosa de los Santos. Chase Miguel Pescones de Mate with honors. Cedric James Alvarez Diagro with honors. Sabria Catherine Ortega D. Liam Von Bellarmino de Mapilis with honors. Adrian Rubia Dolosa. Lauren Miguel Limbo Domingo. Carlo Gabriel Fernandez Mufon. Christian Liam Caballero El Perez. Crystal Lauren Empio with honors. Ezra Malaki Aaron Carcerio Factor with honors. Chanel Somish Inton Fernandez. Peter Vincent Romero Ferrer. Sirius Kenny Zambrano Focas. Riley Benedict Isidoro Gavalles. James Cody Andes Gabriel. Soya Grace Cartagena Galimbas. King Indy Viaje Galinero. Frost Irvine Herrera Ganapin. Kyle Tristan de Guzman Gabayon. Anika Sean Montiano Garcia. Eunice Shelo Margose Halbo Garcia. Hannah Celine Hamero Garcia. Sandro Miguel Menduneta Garin. Melana Leoterio Gonzalez. Justin Abuyo Gregorio. Arthur Hanti Pasek Ru. Sandre Alexis Correa Guillermo. Julia May Moraldi Inga with honors. Hazel Sagaya Hanini. James Hardy Ferron Hapa. Angel Heart Amboy Hernandez. Enrique Reynaldo Antonio Villanueva Hugma. Rihanna Altea Roncilio Icaranong. Alexa Gabriel Evangelista Iglesias, Best in English, with honors. Luis Alfonso Manila Avillonar. Siquiel June Juan Pobilio. Rihanna Kelsey Hiwati Guanzon. Maria Janine Leoterio Laseste. Angel Ann Salcedo Laksamana. Rihanna Marie Picar Lago. Katrina Haley Painosa Legaspi. Jen Mary Nerissa Sodeste Limocon. Sus Gibson Lozano Lopez. Angel J. Monteclaro Lumalhati with honors. Frances Bien Villanueva Lugo. Samat Agantal Akapaa. Catherine Marcel Dagdag Maglala. Winston Garcia Magpantay. Angelique Nicole de los Santos Malana. A. Brianna Ancheta Maliabo. Ace Mark Mosquito Maliado. Lorraine Antoinette Kabuga Mamamon. Dame Jean Marie de la Cruz Camarado, Best in Business Technology, Best in Filipino, with high honors. Gabriel Inigo Cano Manalo. Merlis Angelique Alcantara Manda. Daniela Quezon Mangabat with honors. Dominic Dayuday Marabe. Lovely Faith Cruz Marciales. Juan Lucas Bernardo Marquez. Angela Flores Masinsi. Margaret Alheide Manzano Megrena. Princess Day Tansol Medina. Rosario Menendez. John Thomas Mugar Mendoza. Justin Keith Mendoza Miguel. Maxine Diva Miranda. Nati Angelica and Valencia Molina. Marco Luis Inigo Marzan Moniz. Shana Antoinette Erta Morales. Kichi A. Lagunsat Moya. Janelle G. Rose de Asis Nasino, Best in Mathematics, Best in Science and Technology, with Maureen Joy Pasamonte Ocona. Erin Dominic Rhea Ocampo. Nathaniel Garcia Olivar. Mitzi Saizerine Cortin Ong. Malik Jaden Evangelista Oriarte. Shane Ramos Oharaliza. Janelle Ann Manuel Osorio. John Cesar Ramos Familiar. Pauline Carla Magat Paraon. Raven Barcenas Pastor. Froilan Basilides Payos. John Ivan Torres Placer. Andre M. Pertus Plaza. Cyron Benegaño Poblete. Roland Christopher Alvarez Punsalan. John Kenneth Juan Ragasa. Anika Ice Bernal Ramos. Fira Andres Villanueva Ramos. Alicia Felicity Sanchez Rial. Margaret James de Gala Regular. Januel Salorio Rico. Wayne Andre Quaresma Rotavia. Jamaica Chantel Cruz Rodriguez. Astrid J. Lavi Angelo Sabalo. Elise Julian Tison Salas. Rashid Go Salazar. Aliana Ibardolaza Salvador. Mariah Beatrix Manuel Sanchez. Mark Alfred Macabihag Santos. Seth Gabriel Robles Salino with honors. Kurt Andre Kawat Sarmiento. Sean Gabriel Bong Simo. Erica Sohi with honors. Gian Lorraine Sorilla Soncho. Daniel Trisha Maglunod Somo. Zachary Daniel Peñalosa Soto. Yuan Matapies Santa Ana. Kisha Matea Baculado Santa Juana. Ayen Matthew Legaspi Tabalan. Gabby and Bernadette Taduyo. Bernadette Cruz Tan. Dean Marcos Buhan Tan. Hamza Tomawis Paulo with honors. Julio Lorenzo Uy Taruel. Holly Wendy Martinez Tividad. Mark Ashley Daniel Sean Tolo. Sean Mario Rivera Torres. and Social Studies with honors. Samantha G. Aposeco Valdemoro. Princess Nicole Chavez Valdez. Desiree Eliza Bernie Valencia. Nicole Amber K. Villanueva Valencia. Thomasine Luz Jean Castillo Valencia. Sarah Allison May Villamor Valenzuela. Ram Christopher Lacantila Valerio. Penelope Elana Palma Varona. Casey Daniel Rivero Velasco with honors. Princess Andre Padre Velasco. Eldrick Michael Belen Ventura. Ruben Nicanor Ventura. Leicester Verde. Rihanna Marie Ayo Victoria. Joaquin Roble Victorino. Micaela Denise Rodero Vidal. Leon del Mundo Pilar. Marian Micaela Cruz Villano with honors. Matt Albert Wage with honors. John Martin Florento Yumol.
most memorable time in someone's educational journey. For a glance, we bring you back the highlights of the junior high school life of these students through a video presentation.
Sa
It's true enough that those experiences will always be worthy of your high school memories. The path to this day has been a long and winning odyssey for all these students who have made it to this ceremony. For many of us, JRU has been our second home for 4 years or more. It is therefore fitting that we convey our gratitude for being embraced by this school by singing Hymno Jose Rizal. Please remain standing for the exit of the colors.
No! Cut! No! Cut! Kulay! Na! No! Cut! No! Cut!
That concludes this year's promotion ceremony. On behalf of the Junior High School Division, we would like to extend our sincerest gratitude to our dear parents for entrusting your children to us and helping us in molding them to be responsible, courteous, considerate, and honest young adults. As you bid farewell to junior high school, may you continue to find your inner hero. Congratulations, Batch 2024! May we request our guests, parents, and graduates to please stay in their places until our university officials and faculty members have left the auditorium. Thank you. The recessional. Reminders, please return your togas to your advisors at 8th floor. Again, please return your togas to your advisors at 8th floor.